I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back. Back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be using the easy tips, which is what I'm showing you now. I have put them into a Glitter Planet empty tip box, and I've also taken the numbers off the bags, as you can see, and just stuck them in the correct little compartments, and it just makes it super easy to remember which numbers are where. So definitely use that tip, because I mean, it's a lifesaver, especially when you've got clients and you're trying to kind of, get through a service and you're not kind of used to the new tips that you've just bought. So I'm going to come in and apply those to my nails using the instant nail glue, which is available from Glitter Planet. It's so freaking fast at setting on the nails. I love using it, and these tips are freaking gorgeous. Initially, I was just going to do a natural ombre set. So I was just going to apply the natural nail tips and then come in with toasted rose, but then of course I had to add some glitter. Unfortunately, I am cursed with a glitter addiction, so I can't go without it, and if I do, there is something seriously wrong with me at that point. So if you ever see me without any glitter on my nails, please call the ambulance. I was going to say 911, but in our country it's 999. I mean, seriously, it will be a medical emergency, so don't take that lightly if you ever see me without the glitter. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Of course, I'm still just applying these super long nail tips to my nails, and I'm just trying to ensure that they are all straight. I'm not gonna lie, some of them are slightly off, but I am using my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand. So of course, it's not gonna be absolutely perfect, so who cares? Not me. Also guys, I just want to pop this here. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Ninja Nail Fairy, and also follow the brand account, which is Glitter Planet UK. We are going to be hosting a big giveaway soon, and hopefully going to be announcing some Black Friday deals, which I am so excited for. I am putting so much freaking awesomeness together for you guys, so please don't miss out. Anyway, I'm coming in with the outer space nail tip cutters, and I'm just going ahead and trimming down that length, and look at that, boom, perfect coffin shape / tapered square. Seriously effortless and seriously easy. So this is the crystal clear I'm going to be using, and as you saw, we have new labels which will be coming to all of the products. I just wanted something more sleek, elegant, and I felt like a nice matte finish was literally just divine, so that's what we're going with. Everything will slowly but surely be changed over to that type of label, and I cannot wait because I freaking love it. Yes, I'm coming in with the Pro Bond, and I'm just applying a nice thin layer to all of the nails, ensuring to not get on the surrounding skin, because we don't want to, what's the word, encourage our skin to become allergic to any products. That goes also with the monomer, the nail glue, anything that you are using. You need to not expose yourself unnecessarily to these products on your skin, because it will absorb it, and over time, if you do that every single time, you're going to begin to develop issues. So as you can see, I'm just coming in with Crystal Clear from Nailmate, and I'm just applying a nice thin base over the entire nail. I'm not really concentrating on the tip of the nail because I'm going to be adding structure later on when I cap, and I'm not adding any colour there. I wanted to be able to see the natural nail tip coming through. So once I'm happy with that clear base, I'm just coming in with Toasted Rose Cover Acrylic, which is one of my ultimate favourite acrylics. I love this cover. It is so freaking gorgeous. It suits me whether I'm tanned, whether I'm paler, whether I'm in between. I just honestly think it's an all-round beautiful cover powder. So I'm applying that at the cuticle area and then blending kind of halfway down the nail, just covering the free edge of my natural nail, just to ensure that that's nicely disguised and looking super pretty. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, my nails prior to this set weren't in the best condition, just because I'd had my acrylics off for a few weeks. I pack parcels for a living and answer emails. I mean, whose nails are going to be in good condition if that's the case? I also like to bite and pick my skin, which is tragic, but it's life, so this is why I have to put nails on, and it kind of just gives my skin a break. Plus, I love having nails on, but sometimes I very rarely get time, so I'm so glad that I got a chance to do this set, and right now it's nearly 2 weeks later, so I need to do it, I need to do them again already. So the glitters I'm using are Preacher, which are the little hearts and crosses, and I'm also using Cool Whip. Cool Whip. I did not use Milkshake, but I was just showing you there that was a different combo. I was kind of erring towards the side of, but decided against. So yeah, I'm just using the 2 glitters I showed you, Cool Whip and Preacher. I don't say Cool Whip like that, by the way, but you know, Family Guy and all that. Cool Whip, Cool Whip. Gotta get some Cool Whip. Anyway, hopefully I did that justice. I'm just coming in with the clear. I'm literally adding some clear acrylic as a really thin base, and that is just going to act as a glue for my glitter. I'm then picking up the glitters in individual kind of pieces, just a few at a time, and placing them exactly where I want them and moving them around so that, you know, the composition is looking really nice, not too overloaded in one particular area, but just nice and evenly spaced. And you don't want every nail to be the same, so on each nail I just ensured that I put the cross in a different position. So I'm just going to go and do that on all of the nails, and then we will be back to encapsulate in a short while. Also, if you didn't manage to catch it, I am using the Bestie brush in the size 12, and this is available from Glitter Planet. Again, I'll try and link all of the products down below for you guys, and if I don't link them, I'll just list the names of them, and then if you search them on the website, you can find them super easy. And you can also use my discount code Jeez, I am going way too fast. Ninja5 for 5% off. Okay, so this is how we are looking so far. I have my nail bed applied, I have my glitters applied, and I am in love. It looks freaking gorgeous. This set is so simple but so freaking stunning. So now I'm coming in with Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm going to encapsulate all of the nails. I'm not really going to add too much towards that cuticle area, just a slight bit if I need to add any structure, but in most cases I shouldn't really need to. So yeah, just ensuring that all of those glitters are encapsulated and the structure is built nicely. So once I've filed them both off of camera, I'm coming in with Nailmate Super Gloss. I do believe that we may well be currently sold out, but if not, I'm going to link it down below for you guys anyway, because at some point it will be restocked. And if you want, you can sign up for email alerts so that you will be notified as soon as we add the new stock. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a nice even layer over the entire set and then cure in the light for 60 seconds. So once I've finished curing, I'm adding some coconut cuticle oil, and then this is the final result. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. If you'd rock this set, let me know down below. And as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye. See you later, alligator. And also have an amazing day tomorrow and the next day and the next day.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.